Bulawinaka.
Bula.
Bulawinaka. Your Excellency, before I address you this wonderful night, our apology, if you look at our delegation, is only 1/3 of our delegation. We had to allow our national airline, Fiji Airways, to bring on the rest of our Pacific brothers and sisters before we come in. So our full delegation will be here tonight. We had to allow especially Tonga and Samoa to come over.
Binaka Bakalevu.
Your Excellency, Governor George Green, First Lady, Madam First Lady, Honorable Ministers, our elders, our traditional leaders, Pacific Delegation, our host, the people of Hawaii. Aloha and Nisam Bulawinaka. I bring you warm greetings on behalf of the leaders, our elders, and the people of the Fiji Islands. Your Excellency, Fiji acknowledges and honors the custodians of this land. We respect deeply the enduring connection we, the Kanaka Maoris, have with their lands, waterways, surrounding seas, and skies. Fiji is privileged to be invited to share in the celebration that recognizes and values the richness of our artistic and cultural expression. Your Excellency, we stand in the arena tonight. We especially remember our ancestors who have passed on. For they dreamt beyond our wildest imagination. Back when the world feared what was beyond the horizons. The horizon where monsters and dragons roamed. Our ancestors dreamt. Our ancestors visioned. And they had the courage and the boldness to voyage beyond the horizon. That is what we remember this afternoon. We also come into the arena this afternoon, Your Excellency. We remember our brothers and sisters who are not here with us. We bring their spirit with us. Our brothers and sisters of Vanuatu, our brothers and sisters, the Kanaks of New Caledonia, and our brothers and sisters of West Papua. Though they are not here with us, Your Excellency, we bring their spirit with us this week. But more so, Your Excellency, remember our ancestors and the boldness and the courage they have. Now in a time where our islands are getting smaller and smaller, against the challenges of globalization, against the global challenges that we face, it is our heritage, it is the boldness of our ancestors that we must remember. And we must tell our young people, our young children, we must tell them, and Fiji is here to tell them, that they are not descendants of small islands. They are descendants of great voyagers, navigators, mathematicians, those who dared. Those who dared to journey beyond where the rest of the world did not dare to do so. And they must know, they must remember, as my brother from Samoa said, they must remember that our identity is non-negotiable. Your Excellency, as a token of our appreciation for the invitation, we present to you a tanoa. Our Samoan brothers and sisters have already presented you as Samoan. After they carved it, we took it and hybrided it into a more hybrid version. The tanoa is a representative of the Pacific Basin and the vast ocean that connects the diverse islands of Oceania. Attached to the tanoa is a wa mangi mangi carefully woven to show the intricate relationship and traditional structure that connects our people and culture to the land and sea. The white cowrie shell, or mbuli, is a child of the sea. We are children of the sea. The sea remains our source of livelihood and inspiration. Your Majesty, it is an honor for me to introduce the High Prominent Chief, one of the direct descendants of the group of chiefs who stood up in Fiji in the face of invaders and held us together to protect our identity, our heritage, and our culture. Ratu Epinisa, the Kumbau, the Gunibalu, the Tuikamba. Your Excellency, our gift bears mana and sau, which we hope will engulf your island. Our best wishes. Mahalo and Wimaka Bakalema.
Mahalo nui loa, e turanga na Vunivalu na Tuikamba, and the delegation of Fiji. Vinaka sana makalevu.